Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need help with Google Merchant Center suspension, Google Ads disapproval suspension, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. Now let's get started to an amazing long case study, which actually took us around 13 years to get restored, and that is for our revive board Google Merchant Center account. So I'm going to show you the website as well so you can see the idea on it that the site is targeting US niche. The billing is from the new US, and in case if you want to see the category, it's for your back comfort. It's a tool, it's a device which helps you in the paint. You can see over here that the website has only a single product, so it shouldn't be an issue, but unfortunately it has a lot of issues, and it took us 13 months to recover. And that today, even the old account still was not able to get it restored, and we provided an account from our Google partner GMC, which is working well. But this doesn't mean that any Google Merchant Center account will work like a charm, or your compliance to your website is necessary important. Otherwise it would not have been possible. So the first thing is that you have to be compliant with your products on your website, and then you can, in case if your all of the tries fail at your current account merchant account, then we can issue you an account from our Google partner merchant center. So now let's move on what we did or how we did. So I'm going to show you, because the project took us 13 months, very big, very long. We do not have usually such longer projects. We usually try to escape it within a month or a lesser, but unfortunately this went beyond our expectation. We were not expecting it to be too long, but that's what happened. So I'm going to show you exactly. Okay, we also did constant communication with the Google staff, and based on our 130 plus checklist, we wanted to ensure that everything complies. And you can see over here that one of the reply was, we are very transparent and honest business people. We are running our company. We provided them instructions from them as well, but they actually refused us. You can see over here that they have a right to disallow, and they feel that it rather don't follow the policy. So which is why the account was actually suspended for misrepresentation. The story doesn't end over here. We worked on the claims. We felt that there are certain claims on the website which are causing issues, so we looked on the claims as well. And we also try to run sample ads on Google Ads to see in case if there are any issues on the Google Ads, and some we also find some unreliable issues as well claims. So to be on the safe side, we sorted those as well. Although the Google Ads and Google Merchant Center are separate departments, but we suggested revisions, and this is not the only revision which we did. There are ample of audits which we done. And if I start from over here, you can see like pages need to be updated, some has a broken links URL. Payment method should have more information regarding taxes. Return a fund and refund and return pages should be separate. We need to have a disclaimer. We also said that there is a different phone number on Google Map listing and a different number on website. That was an issue. The social media page channels were do not have any active engagement. We created social media channels. We added posts. We added followers, likes, comments. We also suggested we did the checkout twice on our system, but and we also do a sample checkout, and we felt that the two payment methods which we mentioned on the website start were not present on the checkout, which could cause a suspension issue over here. So this was another impact over there as well. And the story doesn't end over here, because we did so many audits, so many things which we did. Because you were here that pages need to be created, verification in the Google Map listing was required, product guarantee pages need to be updated. Was we suggested them pages need to have added with clickable contact, so people can directly call, search about us, fact, track your order, wholesale inquiry, terms, condition, guarantee page, privacy policy, refund, return policy, with shipping policy, terms and conditions, shop, about tracker. There's so many pages which we have to do. We also suggested that page speed is slow and it lacks the UI. The robots file should be upgraded with the following. We provided the code which needs to be added. We also suggested regarding the product descriptions, and we also sorted many product issues. And it may look like the issue could have been solved, but then we again find it out like contact page audit is missing, and few things were still not over there. I mean, so many audits, and nothing, everything was like over here. We also looked around in the placeholder codes. Placeholder codes are on the website, which are actually causing the issue for Google do not allow placeholders. Usually it can be found in themes or plugins or anywhere on the website, and we can find it through the manual data source of the page. Like placeholder, we figured out some placeholders, and usually they are the part of the search plugin or any other plugin or the part of the theme, and we have to remove it. We also looked at the tracking page, which was not working. So also, we suggested some changes on the personal information policy page, and the guarantee page was not working. And payment logo over here should need to be mentioned on payment method page. All of the payment methods you are offering, if you're showing on the footer, then all of them to be shown. If you're mentioning on payment method, then all should be mentioned. And on the checkout, all should be present what you are mentioning. So these are were necessary requisites. And then you can see over here other issues. The tracking page should be clickable. We removed the spacing because that was not the part of good UI practices. So we also suggested that the email need to be clickable. We suggested removing extra spaces, and there was a page where we do not have any products. So we also suggested that this page do not have any products that need to be added. So we suggested that as well. And in this we suggested the social media pages need more engagement. The support email, we also called on the numbers. We sometimes call to verify if everything is working fine. Some then there were some 404 pages added on Google search console. We also looked around those. We looked on the testimonial, newsletter header, footer. I mean, so many changes. You maybe looked around, like it took us so big time, and we had to be very serious on these things. And also, that even with changes, we need to look around on that. On not only changes matter, but also what matters is indexation, and sometimes scrolling takes time in Google Search Console. So it could that be a reason as well. So plagiarism, we still figured out some plagiarism issues that were part of the part of the account still over there. And I'm going to show you the consistent communication my staff did was, thank you for your contacting Google Ad support. And because we were simultaneously regarding the Google Ads and the Google Merchant Center suspension for this account. So we suggested that the account still is being suspended for billing policy requirement, Google Ad policy requirement, unauthorized account activity, age requirement, ads grant policy requirement. So I mean, there were so many reasons and so many issues. You can see over here, and I'm just giving you the important one. Otherwise the communication will read on hundreds of pages. On when we were all of my team were communicating, all of my team was looking around. You can see over here that we informed them like we are Google partner helper. This was one of the communication which we did. Okay, you can see over here we can find you communication app. I hope how it has been detected that the account is still not compliant with our shopping ads policies. We want to everyone to have a safe and positive environment where experience when visiting Google and our partner sites to help make that a reality. We have developed a set of policies that we expect advertisers to follow. That was an issue as well. You can see over here how many issues where we can see constant communication with Google was being done. Even our staff was a little bit flirty over here, but ignore him and see like he explained the changes which we did. Then again, you can see that the misrepresentation error was constantly over there, and they said that to help make that a reality, we had to develop a set of policies. And if something was missing, we were constantly missing something. And if you think that a small error, that could cause an issue, which is why we are right now we have developed so far a 140 plus steps checklist to ensure that your Google Merchant Center is compliant with Google merchant center or not. So which is why it's very hard for ordinary people. We can understand that not everyone can go in so deep. And again, the it's not the credit of only me but my whole team who consistently worked hard. And then, guys, that still the issue was with the account, and then ultimately we discussed with the Google support, and then we got an alternative account, and right now the account is approved. So this is another successful case study. And in case if you look around on my YouTube channel, you may be surprised to know I have hundreds of case studies regarding Google Merchant Center account suspended, misrepresentation, false statement, website or online store needs improvement, pharmaceutical medicines issues, drop shipping. People have issues when they are doing drop shipping and they are not able to run their ads in Google Merchant Center. Me and my team can help you in Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads Merchant Centers, or also Google Ads audit setup or management. So you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And I hope you like this case study. And again, thanks and credit to my team who worked along with me to make this project a reality. So I am very hopeful to them as well. So yeah, I'm glad this is an amazing case study regarding for Google Merchant Center suspension. Thank you for watching. In case you need our services, you can again hire us to the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.